Hello everyone, welcome to another software coding tutorial. My name is Tommy. Today I will be discussing about how to install the latest MinGW-w64 for Windows. What is MinGW-w64? MinGW-w64 is a free open source development environment for Windows that provides the GNU compiler collection for GCC and essential tools like MinUtils, headers, libraries to build native 32-bit and 64-bit Windows applications, allowing developers to create Windows programs using familiar GNU tool similar to Linux development but for Windows platform. It is a significant fork of the original Min, adding crucial 64-bit support and updated Windows API integration. How do you install Min? The first step is to download MinGW-w64 from the winlibs.com website. You want to get the latest version or the version of your choice, unzip the zip file and place it in a directory on your hard drive. Then set the Windows environment path variable to point to the new directory where Min is installed. Then write your C++ program and then compile the code. Head over to winlibs.com and scroll all the way to the bottom of the page, and then you can see different versions of GCC. GCC 15.2.0 with POSIX threads. This is the latest version, and then you can see the much earlier version as well. It's up to you to choose what you want to get, and I like 64-bit because my operating system is 64-bit. I click on this and I would download the file. Okay, so once you have your zip file or 7-zip file, use WinRAR to open it. Okay, so the WinRAR file will look inside. It will look like this. So you don't have to go any further. Just drag this folder into the C drive or D drive that you have. So I'm going to copy it to C drive. So I'm just going to go to C drive and then drag this folder directly here. So it's going to take 1 or 2 minutes. Be patient. But all the executable header files, etc., will be located in the same directory, which is Min64. Okay, completed. Okay, so as soon as you've completed the copy of the Min64 executable headers and library, go ahead and edit the environment variable. So click on the environmental variable, click on path, and just ensure that the path is pointing to the new Min 64 bin directory, and that's all you need to do, and then click on OK. Okay, next step is to test to see what version of the G++ compiler that you have. So type in G++ -version, and it should point to the latest version, 2025 spec 15.2.0, and then you could begin writing a program. So I can type in nano test.ctp. And I say include IO stream using namespace standard int main void to cout hello world inline return 0. Then save it. Okay. Once it's saved, do dir type test.cpp, and then I can type in g++ test.cpp, and let me clear it. I should see an executable, so type a.exe, and there you go. So that's how you can install the latest MinGW-w64 and then compile. You can also use code, VS Code to be exact, and same thing, you can open up here and modify your existing program. You can click on New Terminal, and it will drop straight into the folder that you have the source code. So you can type G++ from here and type the version and do dir. Of course, you can type in g++.test.cpp. I'll do a clear again, then dir executable. As you can see, that it's compiled at 1:52 p.m. December 7th. Type A executable, and there you go. So that's all I have for this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to press like and subscribe so you can have more tutorials like this. Thank you for your support, and see you later. Bye bye for now.